So in this problem, we're told that there's a new manufacturing plant in Ohio that's making football helmets. And there's a cost per helmet of about $63. Okay, that's right in here. And there's also a fixed cost of operating the factory. That's $6,900 per day. And I don't know what that includes, but maybe it's the electric bills or the cost of your worker or something. That's your fixed cost. And it wants an expression or an equation which describes the cost of manufacturing H football helmets in a day. So remember how costs work. If you have a fixed cost, that's just plus some number, in this case 6,900. If you have a variable cost, that's usually a cost that's multiplied against a variable. So I'm making an equation here, which is cost equals, and what you do is you add together your two types of costs. You have your variable cost, which is 63.25 per helmet. That's the giveaway. When it says per helmet, you know you're going to have to multiply that cost of 63.25 times H, which is the number of helmets. Okay, if I'm making 100 helmets and they each cost $63.25, I know it's going to cost me $6,000 something because it's just 63 times 100. And then you have this fixed cost, which you just add on at the end, because even if you made 0 helmets, you would still have to pay $6,900. So you add, actually, we're not even solving anything here. We're just trying to figure out which one of these equations matches it. And as I look through the list, you can see a bunch of options, and it's good to look at your options and rule out some. See this minus sign? That's no good. We can cross out things with minus signs because we're adding two costs together. And what else can we cross out here? See this one right here? Look at that. It's got a 6,900 times H. That's just silly because the helmets cost $63, not almost $7,000 each. That would be a pretty impressive helmet. What you've got here is this equation. And okay, so it's written in a slightly different order, but it's the same idea. It's a variable cost, $63, times the number of helmets, plus a fixed cost right here. Okay, so that's how you figure these things out.